like one of the best days of my life.
It's raw. Get it together. Off.
I just can't believe that this is happening.
Really? What the are you doing? Get out. Get the out of it. Oh my God. It looks like vomit. That is raw. Get it together. You get knocked down, you bounce back. It's what the American dream is all about. Yes. Season 22 is incredible, and it's all about the American dream.
I've been homeless, jobless.
I was born addicted to drugs. I'm here to show everybody you can make it from anywhere.
My American Dream 2.0 is giving back to individuals that haven't had the exposure, haven't had that opportunity.
It's literally what I've always dreamt about.
For one of you, that dream will come true.
This is so embarrassing.
I've never seen such a fragmented, pathetic opening in all my life. Oh, no.
Coming out of the gate, big bang, not always in the best way.
Is that your best? Oh, my goodness me. If you're going to stay silent, you may as well go home. Hell's Kitchen is back with a vengeance. These contestants this year, some phenomenal characters.
The Cuban has arrived to Hell's Kitchen.
What planet are you on?
America.
I'm actually a professional Quidditch player.
Oh, God. A professional British what?
Gordon makes them work in the kitchen the way he learned how to work in the kitchen.
Is that what you serve to a championship boxer? Off.
And you can't question that because there'll be no chef more successful than Gordon Ramsay in our lifetime, period.
Let's go. Use your voice. You're on a completely different level.
Yes, chef.
Because of their background, what inspiration they brought to the table. We've just witnessed some of the most incredible signature dishes we've ever seen. But also, it was a rocky road. Linguine. Is it fresh?
I was in a box.
Stop. This season, Hell's Kitchen comes with all sorts of surprises.
18 contestants vying for a grand prize from the greatest chef in the world. It's everybody's American dream.
To get to season 22 for a humble Scott cook. How beautiful was that? It is a true dream come true. Mourinho.
See, chef.
Open Hell's Kitchen. The
Show me
American
that.
dream. Let's go.